All right, today we're gonna create our own compost bin. Here we picked up a trash bin from Walmart, $9, pretty good size. It's a 32-gallon trash can. And we're gonna save some money because one of those compost bins could go for well over $100. So here, we'll go ahead and get started. Go ahead and remove the lid and turn this trash can upside down. And we're gonna drill several holes at the top here. I basically just found the thickest drill bit that I have, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drill a few holes in here. Just get a couple in the middle. And these holes will provide water drainage for our compost. And we're gonna put a couple holes here on the side as well. All right, one last hole. Once we finish drilling the holes in our trash bin, we're gonna prop it up on top of several bricks. So I have a couple here. These are really cheap, a couple of dollars from Home Depot. And we're going to position it in a way that doesn't block the holes that we just drilled. So that should do it. And then I basically drilled it in a way that if I know there's a hole here, there's not a hole directly beneath it. So I can use that as an indicator of how I'll position the trash bin. Those bricks a little closer. There we go. So now we're going to go ahead and load our compost bin. We had a smaller one going. So typically you want to do a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts brown waste, 1 part green waste. I'm going to go ahead and get this in here. We got some brown waste in here. Underneath we have some kitchen waste, kitchen scraps and stuff. And then we're gonna add some water. And you can just add about 1 part water to 1 part waste. And there you have it. $9 DIY compost bin.